don't really know where to go because my map went dumb. Sorry, my map just completely disappeared. So I'm having to sit here and reorder that. So yeah, I don't know what happened to my map that it just coincidentally just crashed like right as I was getting off and trying to figure out where I needed to turn. It's crazy. But I think it's up there on that hill right there. So we'll see. So we turn left here. Tannery. Okay, Tannery Drive. But it's funny because there's no signs here for like mountain bike park, which is interesting. Mountain biking park, hours 7 to 7, 7 to 10. Like a very narrow drive. Let's see, please back into parking spaces. Okay. Let's see, so I guess this is it. Looks like it. Alright, so here's the trailhead. And this is maintained by Sorba Tri-Cities. Looks like there's some stuff up there. So we'll go ahead and get our bike off and try to figure out where to go. I mean, you can see there's definitely plenty of parking, so I guarantee this is probably really busy on a weekend. But get Sally, and they got trash cans and all that stuff. I like the benches with their actual Tannery knob. Apparently there's a no smoking policy. So thank you to Sorba Tri-Cities. Check out the trails. See, okay, so here's so 7 and 8 are advanced. There's 7, there's 8. I was thinking about doing 5, which is intermediate. And then come around on 6, and then maybe do 2. What's that? Okay, so they do have like the bike tools and stuff like that. Which trail was this? So I guess we'll go down the green trail first. This is Breakfast Club. Let's check it out. Oh, it's loose gravel. Something different. Woo! Oh! Oh. Now I think we'll do the blue. So it looks like it is directional. No, there's 5 on this back side is both ways. So it looks like it's over here. So we'll start on the more difficult trail, going left behind the trail sign, kind of between the two. We're at 0.68. Oh, I see. Okay. Alright, so let's see if we can get down this without too much problem. Whoa. 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 Okay. I don't know if I trust myself to ride down this or not. Okay. Whew. Hold my breath there for a couple minutes. Whew. I'd hate to see what the Black Diamond trails are like. Oh gosh. Oh, no, no. Whew. That's a little tight right there. Hopefully y'all can see that. Oh, this is fun right here. Woo. 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 Whoa, whoa, whoa. Woo! Woo! Let's go. Whoa, 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 whoa. 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 Let's go. Woo! 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 Whoa! Whoa! Okay. Ooh, this is narrow. With a steep drop off. Slow, okay. I'll go slow. I'm fine with that. Oh goodness. Oh, let's see. So what trail is that? So yeah, I think we'll just keep going straight. As soon as I walk myself up this little hill. Man, that's fun. This is fun. Kind of nerve-wracking, especially since it just drops off at the edge, but it's really not too bad. Of course, I'll say that, and the next thing I know, I'll be eating some dirt. Oh. This is a super nice trail system. I don't think I'm ready for advanced, but this has been fun. And the beginner trail was actually really fun too. Almost. I'm gonna walk it. No. I gotta learn how to go over the roots. Didn't have it geared down. Sally, off trail. Off trail. Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Doing good.
Hey, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks.
Let's see if I can ride this section. Oh gosh. Okay. Well, they just rode down through here no problem. Oh gosh, I have no clue. I think I got the wrong one right off the gate. Whew. That's a dicey little section. Oh, drop off. Well, that is. Yeah. I think I had it. I just freaked out. Oh gosh. How am I supposed to get over that? Okay. Oh God. I am not doing good. Whether that's where people have crashed down the hill. This seems a little more difficult than a blue trail. Or at least what I'm used to being labeled as a blue trail anyway. No, oh gosh, don't go over the hill, Angela. Don't go over the hill. That'd be bad. Okay, you're behind me. Oh wow, gorgeous view. They're down there playing a game today. Whoa. Oh. I'd be walking. Oh gosh. Okay. Whew. So we just did 5, 3, and 5. So we're back to here at 2.16. So what's interesting is on Trail Forks they show another like green trail like somewhere behind us, but it's not on this map. I wonder if it's on the other one. It looks like it would be out over there. Maybe they had it and they took it out. So yeah, there's nothing. So I don't know if y'all see that on Trail Forks. This is not shown on this, so I wouldn't trust that that's actually here, because I don't see anything over there that says there's a trail. So we'll ride number 2 again, because that was really fun. I'm gonna ride it twice, to be honest. Yeah, we might do that twice and then we'll head on. But this is really fun. Chairlift. I wonder why it's dotted. I don't see anything about there being a... Why is it dotted? What's the difference between a dotted and a... Yeah, I can see 5 bend. I guarantee you they've numbered them in difficulty. I would agree with that ranking. Not having done 6 or 7, but I don't think I'd want to try it. So yeah, we'll just do one like a couple more times just to have some fun, not really strain ourselves too much. Because this was fun. This was a fun trail here. Woo! Woo! Whoa! Woo! Woo! Let's go! Woo! Let's go. Whoa. Oh wait. Oh, okay. Okay, just make sure it's on the right track. I don't know. I wonder how baby flow is. Because we could do that and then take the chairlift back up and then do break. The other side of Breakfast Club. Let's do that. I think. I'm just going to make sure not to get on the difficult trail. Okay, so let's try baby flow. And then we'll come back up. Chairlift trail, which is that the trail there? Just trying to make sure I want to actually go down this before I get myself in trouble. Okay, wrong way. So So yeah, that's got to be the way up. Hopefully. All right, let's check out Baby Flow. Baby Flow. Seems to be a funny name for a trail. Woo! Woohoo! Woo! I got some air on that one. Holy crap! Whew. Oh wait, let's see. Did we go? Okay, we take the right. Oh gosh, this looks hazardous. Oh crap! Oh, oh, went down. But I caught myself on the bank, so that's good. Oh. Okay, I think I'll just. Oh, there goes the water. Whew. I don't know. This here seems pretty hard. Like, I don't know how you would come down that. I'm sure people just come flying down through there and not even think about it. I'm like, ew. That's probably my fear just causing me to wreck. Okay. Whew. Alright. Woo! That's it. Right. I think I'm gonna walk it. I don't trust myself to go down this. Okay. Let's see. I think I'm gonna end up walking down this. I mean, you see how much I'm slipping and I'm walking. Oh. Okay, we gotta quit being a big chicken about this and just go for it. Ah, gosh, now I'm caught up in my handlebar. Now, I really just don't see a line that, like, I would trust. I'm sure you expert riders are probably laughing at me like, why don't you just send it? Because I will send myself right over that berm and into a tree. I'm about positive of that. Okay. Let's see. This would be fun if you knew what you're doing. Obviously, I don't. But it's still fun. I'm still having fun, like on the straightways, going over the bumps. Oh, I'm sure there are some people who get some massive air right there. Whew. Oh, that's good. Whew. Whew. Oh, slow. Why am I going slow? Oh. We're going slow over up a hill. Okay, I think this is where, yeah, we're going to take the right to go back up to the easy trail, which is probably where I need to be.
the gradual one.
Well, I think I'm gonna take a break here because I'm having some leg cramps, so I think I need to get some electrolytes in me. Alright, you ready? Let's go. Let's see. Oh, off the edge. Okay. Let's go. Oh. 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 I don't know what that color is. Okay. Oh. I think I'm good to call it good. At 3¼ miles. Y'all have a good one. So all total, we did a little over 3¼ miles, something like that. Sally, go right, baby. It's a fun trail system, especially if you've got, you know, experience. Especially if you got experience, you know how to take the berms and the loose gravel, all that. I'm a little more apprehensive, so it's like, I'm gonna crash and die. But man, it was fun. And it's right off I-26, so if you're coming through like Johnson City, it's a perfect place just to come and knock off some steam and get back on the road. So anyway, that is it for Tannery Knobs. I think it's Knobs. Tannery Knobs mountain bike park in Johnson City, Tennessee. And it is dog friendly. I mean, I ran her without a leash. Typically on single track I do because her leash will get tangled up. So anyway, but you know, they got some beginner friendly trails. They got a pump track if that's more your speed. You know, so they got something here for just about everybody. But yeah, it's fun. So I'll see you on the next one.